좀 있어야지 좀 세이프하지 않니 이렇게? 가을이니까 이런 거지. 어머 이런 거 너무 귀엽다. 왜 이렇게 비싸 근데?
이건 저게 낫지. 싼 거 봐.
그래? 뭐 산다고? 스컵 시킬래?
Oh, nice marble. It's very good.
It's really good. 야 와그도 여기가 더 싸다. 100불 여기가 더 싸다.
스테이크 사이즈 비싸다.
야 그래도 여기가 나은데?
100불이야? 와 이거 나도 지린다 이거 뭐야 이거 6 플러스?
이거 이렇게 놓을까? 어머! 너무 예쁘다. 스페셜 살이 생각보다 되게 많아. 되게 예뻐. 시니박스. 와, 이거 진짜 맛있겠지, 종이야. 나 종이를 밑에 깔아서 안 움직이게 해줘.
Yeah. I don't think the Intercontinental was pretty nice. So we got a Chablis, a Grand Cru Burgundy, and really nice Brussels Shiraz.
Can I take a taste of those?
Alright, taste test one. What are your preferences? Chablis, right? Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, really
It
good.
smells like honey, I feel like.
So excited.
I think, if I remember this one correctly, I've had this one for a few months, but I think it was like yellow apple.
Yellow apple.
Yellow or green?
Yellow.
Not overly complicated, good minerality.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
I can taste the honey, the citrus. Nice.
Well, you live with a sommelier now, did you know?
Yeah.
Can you see this?
How good.
So
That's awesome, right?
I know. Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Jason, for amazing wine.
Thanks for
Thank you for
And
that.
all the way down to here.
Yeah, no, it's a bit far, isn't it?
I know.
You can't get a place like this quiet and stuff anyway without going too far out of the city, so it's worth it.
And like,
And you guys are worth it as well.
Oh,
you.
thank you.
thanks, Jason.
That's a cracking wine.
That's the
I'm
one.
so fucking excited.
Can't wait.
No.
Yeah. Putting out hold it, 2 hands, okay?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It wholesales at $3.30 and then add like 30% on top of that, whatever that is.
So excited.
I'm so excited. This is your first Grand Cru?
No, I have to
Oh, you have to say.
And-
First time for me, yeah.
First time for me.
Amazing. I'm so excited.
Oh, so this is spicy cocktail sauce.
Yeah.
You can't dislike it really.
I like that tartar. Maybe a little bit less sugar, but still.
The cheese is a little bit salty as well, so it's not
The
that
balance.
sweet. Yeah, exactly.
How's it?
Back with the brioche, with a bit of sweetness to it.
Nice! How perfect!
Amazing.
I'm so glad. Oh my god, this is so good! Unbelievable!
Anything crab. Anything
True,
crab.
true.
This
I
is
agree.
why, this is why I don't understand why lobster's so expensive.
Yeah. Lobster is still pretty good. It's still easy to deshell it.
Yeah.
Easier than crab.
Alright.
So it stabilizes it. And you
Is
hold-
it?
Hold it with 3 fingers and your other finger on the other side. So you just pour.
Okay.
It feels very comfortable for me. That's how I taught myself. So
Yeah, it looks like you're really uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Does that work?
Oh yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Like nicer.
Oh, that's perfect! That was really
But
good.
that's how I pour.
I should actually slow it down.
It's only like 11.5%. That's why I got that one rather than like a high alcohol one. So it's always going to start the night.
Nice.
Go for it!
Alright. This is going to be quite a lot of dark fruit, but it's going to have a good red fruit balance. This is my strawberries and cherry. I'm going to say it's a little bit of licorice. It's going to be a little bit earthy on the nose at first because it's 2016. So then it'll move into like kind of like slightly underripe plum, at least until the first 15 minutes of it opening up. Alright. You gonna do the taste for me?
Yes.
Tell me if my guess was right.
Oh, but what we changed was this completely open. Oh my god.
What?
I can't wait.
Me too.
This is Grand Cru.
Quite intense in the nose.
It is.
Reasonably floral. You probably get
Floral.
like a bit of like kind of like potpourri, kind of like dried rose.
Pepper?
Kind of, yeah, pepper.
Dry rose.
Yeah.
So
Well perfumed. Nice.
Ooh.
Nice. Yeah. Cool.
They are in a sense.
No.
It's just sleepy now.
졸려? 복순이 가서 자. 집에 가서 자. 하우스. 복순이 하우스. You go to house and sleep. 망망이. You're a bit salty today. love you. She's my family.
I know. This is my problem. I want to get so many more cats, but I just can't put a bit more fucking cats.
3 is enough.
Oh my god, 3 is so many cats.
Yeah.
I got way too many cats.
Bear with. Okay.
Like just
Yeah, that looks great.
I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the
What's that called?
miles
This thing, right?
to fly right to
well,
you.
Wow.
it has to be definitely a good steak though.
The echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laugh and so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest. The sun
That's it.
is rising. I start a brand new day
Inside.
around the moon.
Whereas like burgundy roux and burgundy gelatos are definitely like more meat body forward. I think for a Broncos one's still quite like bright. It has good fruit characters. I thought it'd be more spicy. I thought it'd be more licoricey.
So good.
Very soft.
The
Soft.
Yeah, soft.
Floral?
Florence? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy.
Isn't the sauce really
I
nice?
sauce is amazing.
This is really good.
And like even like there's this one girl that I've seen for a while.
It's worth it.
And that's what matters to me. It's like people coming back and like saying that they enjoyed something rather than like someone coming back to
Yes.
right.
I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining.
You have a different glass. You prefer the Henschke or the 12 rack?
I think this is better. I like this one.
You like this one? It's just
Yeah.
lighter.
So much more delicate and smoother.
I am time traveling. Every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laugh and so far, but ever so near.
Very, very
So
sweet.
I lay my head
So when
to
you go to Korea,
rest
you
when
can
the
find
sun
like we call it like honey
is
apple.
rising. I start a new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you and all the places you have been. So today